Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this simple native pasta. Here are our ingredients. We have some dry fish, some palm oil, a tomatoes and pepper mix, some crayfish, some dried peppers, some dried prawns, hard-boiled eggs, more, some pasta, and a ball of onion. In a pot, we add some water, vegetable oil, salt, and we let this boil. In that boiled water, we add our pasta and let this cook for 15 minutes. When this is ready, we take it out, and in another pot, we put some palm oil, onion, and we saute this for 5 minutes. Then we add our pepper and tomato mix, and we stir this up and let this cook for 5 minutes. Then we add some thyme, curry, ginger powder, garlic powder, and we stir to combine. We add some crayfish, dried pepper, some dried prawns, some more, some dry fish, and then we stir to combine. We cover this up and let this cook for a while. And then in that mix, we add some seasoning cube, some salt, and we stir to combine. We add some pasta water, our hard-boiled eggs. We stir this up and we let this cook for a while. In our mix, we add our pasta and we stir to combine. We cover this up and let it cook for 5 minutes. There you go, our simple and easy native pasta. Let me know if you're going to be trying this recipe out. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.